Robin Hood, the sheriff of Nottingham, is a tax collector. He lives in a big castle in the middle of England. He is very rich and very bad. Every day he goes out to collect tax from all the people. He collects house tax if you have a house. He collects horse tax if you have a horse. He collects children tax and even dog tax. He takes money from every day.
The people are very poor. They are very unhappy. There is only one person who can rescue them, Robin Hood. Robin Hood steals the tax money from the sheriff and returns it to the poor. The people are happy again, but Robin Hood is not happy. He is in love with a beautiful girl, called Lady Marion, but Lady Marion lives in Nottingham Castle and the sheriff is also in love with her. The sheriff doesn't like Robin Hood. He wants Robin Hood to stop taking his money. He wants Robin Hood to stop visiting Lady Marion. The sheriff has an idea. He organized an archery competition so that he can catch Robin Hood and put him in prize.
But Robin Hood is very clever. He goes to competition but escapes with all the sheriff money. The sheriff is very angry. He has another idea. He takes Lady Marion and puts her in the prison. Now Robin Hood cannot visit her anymore, but Robin Hood is a hero. He is not afraid of the sheriff. He goes to Nottingham Castle with his sword and fights the evil sheriff. He rescues Lady Marion, marries her, and they all live happily ever after.